Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a dot charger. If you have a dot charger V6 or V8, you need to find the fuses for the fuel injectors. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. You actually have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. And if your fuel injectors are still not working, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically right here, guys, this is the V6 engine, but even if you have a V8, it will work as well. You can see right here next to the engine you have a fuse box. That's the main fuse box for the engine management, but you have one more hidden in the vehicle, guys, and we have a special video that talks about where are the fuses and relays located on that charger. Check it out. So if you squish right here on each side and you pull straight up, it will come out, and here you have the fuses and relays. Now these fuses, you have 2 types of fuses, square ones and the micro fuses right here. Those are really hard, guys, sometimes to see if they're burnt. So we'll recommend to always test fuses, always test relays to find out if that's the problem. We will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, and you can save quite a bit of time, guys, just knowing what's causing your problem. Something else, if you need to buy replacement fuses and relays at good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. But which fuses we need to check for the fuel injectors now? Okay, the fuses that we'll need to check, if you come from top to bottom, the 3rd row here, 1, 2, 3, that row, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6th fuse right here. That fuse right here, guys, is actually okay for fuel injectors, and the fuse next to it, 5th and 6th fuse. These 2 fuses, 25 amp and 20 amp fuse, needs to be checked. Now if you guys still have problems with fuel injectors not working, we'll have a video how to replace fuel injectors, symptoms of bad fuel injector. All that will be covered on the channel. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We'll have very helpful information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.